Hi guys, this is a video on a Windows operating system that's not a Windows operating system. Now what do I mean by that? Well, basically this isn't an official operating system from Windows. This is an open source operating system called ReactOS. However, it runs on Windows NT technology. Now if you don't know what Windows NT is, Windows XP uses NT technology, Windows Vista uses NT technology. So what they've managed to do is reverse engineer a version of Windows NT and then build a completely new operating system on that. So how does that benefit us? That means we can run normal Windows applications on ReactOS, which is open source and it's free, so you can kind of get Windows programs on ReactOS. So I went to the download website and I've downloaded an image and installed it in a virtual machine, which I'm now about to show you. In fact, I didn't install it. They've actually got preloaded VMware virtual machine image on their website, so I was quite happy to see that. You might want to visit this webpage, I'll give you the link, but they've also got more information on the ReactOS and how it uses the Windows NT architecture and other things like it being free software. And also, if you want to see the compatibility, because as it says here, ReactOS 0.3.4, which is the version we've got here, is still under heavy development alpha stage. So it's only an alpha stage, so it's definitely not, you won't be able to use it properly. It's just showing you that it is possible. So I'm going to start this machine up in a second. They've got a compatibility database, and you can see that not many things are running on it at the moment. Angry IP Scanner apparently does, but you can see that there's loads of different programs. Some things may work, some things may not. So we're just going to start this virtual machine. And it says please select an operating system. So you can see it's kind of got the Windows boot as well. So this is kind of copycatting Windows, but of course it's not Windows because they've reworked the entire thing. So you know, this is the desktop. You've got my computer, my documents, not my network places, I suppose. Yeah, my network place. Trash command prompt. I wonder what the command prompt is. You've got a taskbar like Windows, apart from you've got 4 virtual desktops here. That must be show desktop and something else. So you can see that it looks a lot like Windows. So let's try and go on my computer, and I apologise if the screen record doesn't follow me, doesn't look like it is. So I'll try and drag this so you can see it. Right, so this is the My Computer window. You just got the C drive and control panel. It looks like the VMware image they gave me only has a hard disk and a network. It hasn't got CD-ROM or anything. So it's got a network connection. So ReactOS Explorer, this is what it looks like. As you can see, we've got minimize, maximize, close. So it's pretty much copying things like Windows NT. So they've got a download thing here. So if I click that and go to internet, I apologise for the screen recorder not following me. I can't install.
You've got mail.
Sorry about that. I can't install VMware tools on this virtual machine as it hasn't got any hardware. It just says you should upgrade your virtual machine. So apparently Firefox works on it. Off by One is a very simple, very simple browser. MIRC. So you've got a couple of things you can. This looks a little bit like Linux, if I'm honest. They've taken a little bit of Linux and a little bit of Windows and packed it into an operating system. So that's about it really. There's not much else to show you. I was going to see what the command prompt is, and it looks exactly like DOS, so I suppose DOS commands will work. DIR. Yep, and it looks exactly like MS-DOS. So this is what it is. This is ReactOS. It's not worth downloading it, to be honest, because it doesn't do much. So like I said, it's an alpha stage, so it's only pretty much just started, and that's about it. Just raising the awareness that there are operating systems out there that run the Windows kernel instead of the Linux kernel, and that are free to download and use. So thanks for watching my video. If you tried this out, if you got things working, let me know. Write a comment, and if you like my videos, please subscribe and rate. Thanks again.